It's a beautiful day to be out in the woods. Estaba watching over. Welcome, welcome. It's Riding with AMAP, and I'm out here in Virginia. It's a beautiful view. Clouds are looking awesome, especially through my vents. A camera lens might not be as good, but I'm on 619, Route 619, up above Gate City, up above Fort Blackmore. So, excellent place to ride. I found it really nice. It's just above Devil's Bathtub. I don't have my action cams today. I'm not a big fan of just riding on the gravel for action cams, so you just get me walking around doing a little documentary type video. But I've been working a little bit on the KLR. I had to do some shock work, and I replaced the things that hold the little bar ends that hold these on, and now it's super solid. So I went out there yesterday and worked on that yesterday, and now we're all good. Don't have to worry about these wobbling off, and just having a great time. It's good to be out. Beautiful, beautiful. Hope the wind noise isn't too bad. But I'm heading up to High Knob, and I'm sure I'll do another video when I get there. So catch you later. Maybe probably in a few seconds. And here we are. We are back at the top, or I'm at the top of the Island Lookout. It's really windy. The scenery is great. Just wish we need a little bit more sun. Maybe there's some rain going on over there, but hopefully this camera's doing justice. You can drive all the way up here and eventually end up getting on a paved road. I like the gravel better, but I haven't shared this on the channel yet, but I think it was last fall. I was out on the KLR, and I was going to meet my buddy Brandon and friend Brad and ride with them. And I took it's like, oh, I'll take a shortcut. Well, took a low side, crashed. Came around this corner and started to lose it here. Don't know if I hit the gas to compensate, but she went down. My leg got all tore up. I wasn't wearing my guards, wasn't wearing my mega boots. Got some major road rash. And the main problem is my shifter. My shifter's stuck up under the, it's got bent. This didn't give or something. This was very hard packed dirt. This is like graded gravel. I mean, there's nothing given on this one. It's not. I thought it was on dirt, and I'm not. But I'm really squirrely on the gravel now, so it's probably a good thing. It'll be slowed down a little bit. I don't know if it's because I went down or if it's because I had that track day where you got tons of grip in the corners. And now you have like no grip in the corners when you're on the gravel. So anyway, it's interesting to be back on the gravel and not feeling like I've done this before. Which is weird. Yeah, it looks like snow out there. The sky looks really cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a dual sport day. Catch you later.